Tired of letting leads slip through the cracks? Let's set up automated texts in Follow-Up Boss and turn those missed opportunities into closed deals. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account. Navigate to the Automation section, usually found in the left-hand sidebar under Admin, then Automation. Once you're in the Automation area, click on Create Automation. You can choose to start from scratch or select a pre-built template. For this example, we will start from scratch. Name your automation something descriptive, like New Lead Follow-Up. Now, select the trigger that will start the automation. Common triggers are New Lead or Stage Change. I'll pick New Lead. Next, define any filters. For example, you might only want this automation to run for leads from a specific source, like Zillow or Realtor.com. Now, it's time to add the action. Sending the text message. Click on Add Action and choose Send SMS. Craft your message carefully, using personalization tags like first name to make it more engaging. Set a delay before the message is sent. A short delay, like 510 minutes, can feel more natural than an immediate text. Click Save Action. Review your automation to ensure everything is set up correctly, then simply toggle the switch to activate it. Boom. You are now automatically engaging with leads, nurturing relationships, and closing more deals.